Ladies and gentlemen, we here at Radial have got a pretty nice motor grader here. It's a Volvo G720B. It's got good radial tires on it. The cab is nice. It burns clean. It's pre-def, it's pre-emission. This machine is an ex-municipality machine. It was bought brand new. It runs very well. It's got good hours on it, and it's really tight. I'm going to show you this, that everything here works. Everything on the machine works, and it does have air conditioning on it, heat and AC. It has a backup alarm on it. Got one little place where you get up in the cab, and we'll fix that. We just haven't had a chance to fix it yet. But we really like this motor grader. We especially like it for the money. I think you will too. It can go to work. Give us a call here at Radial & Sons, and as always, we greatly appreciate your business.